But like literally, pumpkin spice lattes. Oh my gosh, coffee plus pumpkins, I totally can't resist.
Totally.
I'm actually obsessed. It's a seasonal soleil.
I'm lactose intolerant, but have you ever tried a almond milk pumpkin spice latte?
Totally.
Out of this world.
For me, it's the pumpkin bread.
No cap. That's a sleigh snack.
I almost bought this pumpkin bread at the store the other day, but there were so many ingredients I couldn't pronounce, so I just put it back. But man, oh man, what I would do for a warm slice of pumpkin bread right about now.
Did I just hear someone say pumpkin bread? It's a cooking show, it's a cooking show.
Wait, how did I get over here?
All right, ladies, now the first thing we gotta do here is we gotta preheat Miss Pam to 350 degrees.
I'm already on it, Gussie.
Perfectamundo. Okay, now for this here recipe, we got the wet ingredients and we got the dry ingredients. Now for the dry ingredients, we got coconut sugar, flour, baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, cinnamon, ginger, and salt. And for the wet ingredients, we got pumpkin puree, maple syrup, eggs, vanilla, and avocado oil. Now, for this recipe, what we're going to do here is we're going to take the wet ingredients and we're going to mix them all together. And then we're going to take the dry ingredients and we're going to mix them all together. And then we're going to take the wet and the dry ingredients and mix them all together. Now, y'all ready to start cooking?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.
Okay, that's straight fire.
Rosie, you done took the words right out of my mouth. There's nothing like the sweet, sweet smell of freshly baked pumpkin bread.
This pumpkin bread is delicious.
And we can pronounce every ingredient.